Darrow, Arlalad, it's taken by Manila Smile. I'm moving up is Devil in Disguise, rushing up is Prince Carlo, Anthony number 4, and this one is Carmelita Maisic in the middle, rushing up Sophia's Fortune, Okidoki racing 7th position, Mercury's Charm, and Cool Turner. Devil in Disguise, Carmelita, Sophia's Fortune, My Chic, Prince Carlo, rushing up Okidoki, Manila Smile, racing 7th position, and by the round, Maricor's Charm, Carmelita. Rounding the far turn, two runners fighting it out for the lead, Sophia's Fortune by the round is Devil in Disguise. Okidoki is running in third alongside My Chic, Carmelita, Prince Carlo, Manila Smile, and Maricor's Charm. As they raise the last 450, Devil in Disguise, Sophia's Fortune, and by the rally is My Chic, and on the further outside, Okidoki, Maricor's Charm, entering the finish line, My Chic, Devil in Disguise on the outside, Okidoki, Sophia's Fortune, Manila Smile, My Chic, Devil in Disguise, My Chic, and Devil in Disguise on the outside, and finally, My Chic, Devil in Disguise, Manila Smile, Okidoki, close for your Fenta Fecta between Prince Carlo and Sophia's Fortune.